In this video I'm going to show you 7 ways how you could possibly fix your internet issue on the Nintendo Switch 2. The first method is super obvious, but it could go wrong, and that is make sure that you are connected to the right Wi-Fi and also with the right password. It sounds super obvious, but there are a lot of Wi-Fi's with the same name, and maybe you are just connected to the wrong one. If this didn't work, bring your Switch to as close to your Wi-Fi router. If it connects then you know the issue is that there's something in between the Nintendo Switch and the router, or you were just too far away from the router. If this didn't work, restart your modem and router. So unplug it from the power. Wait then for a few minutes and then put it back in. And look if this resolved the issue. If this didn't work, try to delete the Wi-Fi from your Switch. So go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, select Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi you are connected to, and then go to Clear Settings, delete, and then connect back to it. If this didn't work, restart your Switch. So hold down the power button for a few seconds. Then go to Power Options and then select Power Off. Now wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. And look if this resolved the issue. If this didn't work, go to System Settings. Select Internet. Select Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Then go to Change Settings. Then scroll all the way down to DNS Settings and switch it to Manual. And then change the primary DNS to the code 008.008.008.008. Click on OK, click on Save, OK. Then connect again to your Wi-Fi, connect to this network. And now the Switch should connect back to the internet. If this setting doesn't work for you, go back to Internet Settings. Select your Wi-Fi, go to Change Settings, then scroll all the way down again to Primary DNS and change the primary DNS to 001.001.001.001. OK, save. And then connect also again to your Wi-Fi. And this one should also work. If this didn't work, try to connect with another device to your Wi-Fi. If the other device connects, then you know there is a problem with the Switch connecting to the Wi-Fi itself. Also what you could try is try to connect the Switch to your hotspot. And if the Switch then also doesn't connect to your hotspot, then it could be that there is something wrong with your Switch. I would then just contact Nintendo and ask what the best thing is to do. So guys, that was it, and I hope one of these methods helps you fix the internet issue.